All done.
Oh.
Cowgirl Eliana.
Where are your horses and what are their names?
The Bucky and Screamy.
Rocky and Screamy?
Where are they?
They're coming home.
They're at your home.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Space Cowboy
Space Cowboy?
and Surf Cowboy.
Surf Cowboy?
You're a surf cowboy? You might look more like a surf cow girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get shy when the camera comes on, don't
Can
you?
we hear the harmonica one more time?
Yeah.
I like when you play.
Play us some blues, some cowgirl
Dance
blues.
for us too. Again. More dancing.
Yeah! Take a bow. That was fantastic.
Can we start the
Yeah, I'll get you your guitar.
And get the guitar. Yeah! Hoe down. Let me say, yeah!
Please don't take my sunshine away.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. The skies are gray.
These are for Papa.
Yeah?
These are for my Nana and Grandpa's. These are
You dedicating this next song to your Nana and Grandpa?
no.
Oh.
It's for Auntie David and Uncle Jason.
Oh. This next song is dedicated to Auntie JC and Uncle Jason.
What?
JJ? Something like
Jason.
that. Go ahead. Now that you've dedicated your song.
It's a one-man band.
Yeehaw!
It's all done.
It's all done.
The hands. Papa.
I'm holding a camera. I can't. Good job, Eliana. Take a bow.
Hey. Can you bow? Do you know what bowing